Hi, I'm Blaine Deeter, Director of Sales and Marketing for Bulldog Battery.
Hi, I am McKnight, Director of Motive Power with Flow-Rite Controls.
Today we'll be discussing the importance of watering your battery.
And we are going to use a Flow-Rite watering system to put water in this Bulldog battery.
Okay, Rob, now that we know our water's good, what's our next step to watering this Bulldog battery?
So now that we have everything qualified to water our battery, let's go ahead and water the battery. So we'll take the dust cover off our feed tube. We'll grab the regulated hose supply and we'll simply connect it and fill up. And one of the things that you'll notice with our system is we have red beads that spin because you can't see the water going into the cells. So once the beads stop spinning, you know that the water has completely gotten into every cell, the right amount's there, safety is there, and everything is done. So, and just like that, the beads have stopped spinning and our battery is completely watered.
Okay, Rob, now that the battery's watered, I wanted to go over the importance of charging before you water.
Right.
If you charge after you water, the battery will boil over and you'll lose water and acid. When that happens, you're gonna have to clean the battery. You're gonna have to neutralize the acid. Now, Bulldog Battery does offer a product called Acid RX, which is a neutralizing spray. You would have to spray the battery, neutralize the acid, and then wipe off the neutralizing spray. Then you're back in business. But to avoid that, always make sure you charge before you water.
Right. One of the things that you really want to make sure you do is get on a watering schedule because you don't want to overwatering. There's such a thing as stacking water and it's bad for the battery as well. So just like you talked about your preventive maintenance or PM in batteries, you want to make sure that you set up a watering schedule so that you have that constant maintenance to it and the constant right amount of water dependent upon your application that you're using the battery for.
So Rob, I see you brought some things with you today. Would you mind explaining what you got here?
We have a couple of things that I brought with us. We've got our portable watering tank. It's a 20-gallon tank, makes it easy to move the water to the battery instead of having to come the other way. We also have a service kit that your techs can take. It's like a tool kit that allows them to do some many adjustments on the fly. And then we have a battery watering poster, and we talked about watering after charge that is noted here, but it's just a watering poster that gives you the directions. We have it in both English and Spanish, but it's just a couple of other things that we offer as part of our full package of offering.
Now that we've went over the importance of watering your battery, to get the longevity out of the Bulldog battery, it's up to you to put in that schedule to get the battery watered to ensure the life of this battery gets to that 5-year period.
Right, because what we want to do at Flow-Rite is we want to make sure that your fleet is up and running and maximizing your battery life.
And if you have any questions for Bulldog Battery, feel free to contact our customer service department or get on our website at bulldog-battery.com. And thank you for joining us.